Yo, what's up, everyone? What's up? One second, just let me check the sound. Yeah. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes. Let's see if anyone's joining. Yeah, so 5 people, good enough, man. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. So let's get started. The stream is sponsored by Bybit. Do check them out. Even Binance is doing some shady things now. Like they are going to convert all your assets to BUSD. Sorry, all your stable coins to BUSD, which is not fair. I mean, you should have the freedom to select which stable coin you want to be in. So yeah, just check out Bybit. They don't do any shady stuffs like that. Okay, so let's get started. So BTC. Yeah. So as discussed in the previous stream, this was our monthly area to buy. We closed under this area of 2093. Yeah, this blue resistance, this high of December 2017. And I told you I'm not going to buy anything unless we close above 23 250. Yeah, 23,300. I don't see any sense buying spots, any kind of spot bags, whether it be alts, Ethereum or BTC, unless we close above this 23,300. Like you can call this a big range. You don't want to risk it though. You don't know whether we just go down from here directly and tag this area, take out these equal lows of 17,500, and there are so many stop loss here. The liquidations. GM. Oh, I'm not pro, man. Not pro yet. Yeah. So there are many liquidations, and that will be triggered under this 17,500 area, which might even lead to a wick in this pink box, which also happens to be this FVG area, or above 14,000 to 16,000. So put your buys anywhere here, and you should be good. Don't just, yeah, I'm good, bro. What's up? Think big. Don't just wait for the exact bottom. You are not going to catch the exact wick. Remember that. So place your order somewhere around 15,000 and you should be good. Even if you go to 14,000, 13,000, it's going to be a wick. It will be very rapid. So this is the next area I am eyeing right now on the macro. Yeah, on the short time frame, lower time frames, you can do some scalps as well. I'm not against that, but macro wise I'm not interested in longing or buying anything and sitting, I will just go to the daily. Oh, just do the weekly first. And this doesn't look bullish. Like people call this an inverted hammer and all, but bro, there is no sense. Okay, it's an inverted hammer, that's fine, but do you see this long shadow, the wick? It's more than 50% of the body. it shows that there are more sellers than buyers. Just because a candle is bullish doesn't mean it's a bullish candle. I mean, look at this. This is supposed to be a bullish candle, but what? The next candle, we see a 10% dump. So remember, always a green candle close doesn't mean that the price action is bullish. The long upper shadow indicates that sellers are in control. Bulls are not interested in buying. They are out of gas. Let's see. I'm not bullish at all. We might take out the highs. We might not. We might take out these highs. We might do something like this. But we need to break down on the lower time frame. Let's see. This chart. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so I have this chart marked here. Yeah, so this is the range I am eyeing. I guess this is last week's Monday range. Yeah, it's last week's Monday range. We were still playing inside that the whole week. It's the same story this week as well. So the thing is, most of us, including me, are eyeing the sweep of this area. This also happens to be Monday low. Monday high was swept. I guess it was swept. Yeah, because the Binance chart is different. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. It's just like a $20-30 difference. Yeah. So if I want to long, I'm eyeing the sweep of Monday lows, that is 19,500. And if things get worse, because everyone is longing and placing the stop loss here, like see, whoever longed here put the stop loss here. The same story. So the stop loss have been piled up under this area. So if suppose we get under 19,500, we might even see price going as low as 18,900. This area, this wick. I don't know. I don't think, but I want this to be swept as well. If suppose we don't sweep this, it's fine. You don't need to long as soon as we start breaking down under 19,500. You have two options. You need to wait. It's either going to do like this, or so you have two chances to long. It's either here or here. So no need to rush. The first target is going to be 2,700. I'll just zoom out and show you why 2,700. This is the main area, not main, but one of the main area. You see, and it just sits above last week's Monday high. So let's see what scenarios we get. Yeah, if it directly goes up, that's fine. Like this is the bear case. Okay, so this is the bear case. You just need to wait right now. Longing right now, I don't think it's worth, because we are just ranging up and down, up and down, up and down. It's like a chop market here. So this is the bear case for me. The bullish case, 1 second. So bullish case for me is going to be break above 2,700 and hold. Once we start holding this area, I'll just long it. My target will be this area, 21,870. 21,870. Take out these highs. Just say like 22,000 approx. Yeah, approx 22,000. The target will be. Take out these highs, because anyone who's shorting this range, people who shorted this range, the stop loss are placed just above 21,900. So 22,000 approx, 22,000, 22,200, whatever the number is. So we just need to wait for these scenarios. Whatever it is, I mean, even if you take this trade, you wait for a breakout, this should be a good trade for you guys. It's like a 5-6% trade. If you look at it in a different way, it's yeah, it's like a 5-hour trade. It should be good enough. But right now, I don't think it's worth either longing or shorting. Yeah, these are the three scenarios, like 2 bearish and 1 bullish. Let's see which one plays out. We are in this range for like now 7 days, 8 days, 9 days. How many days? 9 days, I guess. Yeah, 8 days, 16 hours. So it's a big range. So breakout will be violent, obviously. Whether it be upside or downside, I have no idea. I'm favoring downside, obviously. Pump till ETH merge. Maybe till merge we take out 22k by then. Yeah bro, maybe it's a probability, man. I literally can't predict it right now. As I told you, we have planned 3 scenarios here. Either break down, get back into the range and pump till 22k. Like, even if we do this, I'm fine with it. I'll just buy here. This will be my TP1, hold above and play this. This will be my TP2. If we start rejecting here, I'll cut off my long. As simple as that. So yeah, this is the play right now for BTC. Let's go to ES. This is a shit show, man. ES is a shit show. Yeah, so as discussed, we got the sweep, we reclaimed. I was expecting this area to be flipped, this SR area. Can you check ETH BTC? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I have got that open. Look at this. I want to discuss that as well. I guess there is a potential short coming up. Let's see. So yeah, we got the sweep, we got the reclaim, we pushed up. I was optimistic that we might flip this area, but this candle, oh my god, it literally killed my last hope. So I'm not sure about ES right now, what it's going to do in short term. But unless we reclaim this 3990 or just say 4000 for safe, yeah, unless it reclaims 4000, I don't think we should long crypto right now. Once we reclaim this area, the next target would be 4081. You see this SR level, we broke down, we never got the retest. Yeah, and we might even push till this breakdown area. This creates a big FVG candle, 4179, yeah. So this is what I'm eyeing on ES. On the monthly DXY pumping, that would play a factor. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, I'll get back to DXY after this, don't worry. And even this monthly, it looks like a shit show, man. Like, I wouldn't touch any alts, to be honest. BTC maybe, but alts not at all. Because if ES dumps even a bit, BTC is going to follow. And if BTC dumps, you know what it does to alts. Alts are going to bleed. So this candle is literally like you cannot. If this was a 5-minute time frame, you wouldn't care to long in this alt. You would just sit on your hands. You would either just wait for the sweep of this area of a 3630 or you might have just wait for this flip of 4150, either buy this or buy this. There is no way you are going to long this if this was a 5-minute chart of any random alt. So yeah, just think every chart that is an altcoin on 5 minutes and trade. You are going to see a much clearer picture. Yeah, these are the two options for ES. Man, this looks bearish to me. I have no idea. If this is a double bottom, I don't know. But for that, we need to pump. Before ES opens today, any suggestions for today? No, bro, no alts. I mean, I did scalp a few alts, I guess. I did post it on Twitter, I guess. 1 second. Yeah, this was the Solana trade I took. Like this was a range, broke out, retest, went under the range, went in the range again. That was a breakout again, and I played it till year, I guess 31.8, I guess. Yeah, I closed it I closed at 31.9, and now it's like 32.3, I guess. That's fine. What are your thoughts on ETH low time frame? Yeah, bro. We'll get there. 1 second. Just let me complete with ES. It was night, yeah, I missed it. Yeah, that's fine, bro. You don't have to catch each and every trades. Relax. That's fine. So, yeah. This might be a double bottom. I don't know. But it's like, even ES is right now in no trading zone. Like I wouldn't long or short it right now. There is no clear picture for me. But if you ask me on a macro time frame, I'm definitely bearish because that monthly candle doesn't look good at all. So you just need to wait for ES as well. Once we reclaim 4,000, you can start doing some scalps on crypto, long scalps, because we might get a good push till 41. Yeah, this 2% pump and BTC might just go to 4-5%. That's fine. So, but for that we need to wait. Right now, I wouldn't long or short anything. So, yeah, that is for ES. Let's see DXY. Oof, this chart is messed up. Yeah, 1 second, please. Yeah, I'll just remove these drawings. Okay. So if anyone's wondering why this box was marked, we saw a breakout here and it left a good FPG area here. So I was expecting a retest in this box and the price to go up. It followed. That is the only reason I marked this box. It's nothing much important. But yeah, this FPG gap was filled and the price just shot up immediately. Okay, I'm just deleting it now. Yeah, I mean, look at this. How can you be bullish on crypto when DXY is looking like this? It's impossible, man. It's impossible. You just can't. It's like a 1.5% pump to the next resistance. And look at this. This is the monthly chart. Yeah, we might see a quick scalps on crypto. I wouldn't deny that, but that doesn't mean you are going to get bullish. Quick scalps are nothing but it's like the meme. What is the meme? 1 second. Yeah. This is the meme which I am talking about. It doesn't make sense, guys. Look at this. The monthly candle. Okay, so this was a bearish candle because you see the long upper shadow. But what happened next? The next monthly candle just shot up. And it looks very bullish to me. I don't know we have volume on this or not. I don't think we have a volume profile on this. Yeah, we don't. So yeah, this is a monthly close. Bullish monthly close. So that's why I changed my decision in the end of August. I was literally bearish. I was calling the double top on DXY just because of this monthly candle, but I was wrong. Like, we got a big monthly close in August, and the September we have closed above 108.7, which was resistance on weekly, I guess. Yeah, resistance, deviation. That is why I marked this area. And the next target I am looking for DXY is 111.3. You see on the monthly. Okay. So if suppose we tag 111.3 or 112, let's take a number at 112. Let's take these highs. Let me clear this. What month is this? June. 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So if suppose we head towards 112 and we take out June 2002 highs, that's fine. And if suppose we start breaking down from 111 area, that is your signal to enter crypto. You can start opening longs and start buying spots for short term. I wouldn't say long term, short term. Yeah. And if suppose we don't break down, if suppose we break out and we just hold here, no way you are going to buy crypto, because once we get back in this range, I'm sure we are going to sweep this equal highs of 121. Definitely we are heading towards 122, 123. So while DXY is looking like this, you don't need to buy alts, buy crypto, buy BTC, Ethereum, whatever it is. You just want to stay focused, wait patiently for the triggers. Buying right now is stupidity. I mean, look at this. It's a clear sign that you are heading to 112. Minimum target, minimum. If we flip there, we are going to 122 for sure. Just screenshot this or record this or do whatever you want. But I'm sure if we flip 112 and hold, we are going to 122 and it's going to be a bloodbath, because that is like a 10% move on DXY. You can imagine, like, crypto might just go down 30-40%. I have no idea. And I'm ready for that. 9% move. So yeah, just imagine, just don't see people talking on Twitter about buy now, generational bottom, you are going to cry later, you will miss out. Yeah, fine, fuck off, man, fuck off. These people don't know how to trade. Yeah, some people are retired. Like, they don't care about the money. They have 20 years money in the bank to survive, and the rest they're spending on crypto. That's fine. That's their choice. But we don't have like millions and billions like them. So we need to play it wisely. It's simple as that. So is this clear to everyone? With DXY being bullish, you just cannot enter crypto markets and just play like 10% pump from here. Bro, you can't imagine what's going to happen to crypto. Like 30-40% drop on BTC. On BTC, I'm not even talking about on Ethereum, but on BTC, if we get a 30-40% drop, bro, we are dead, man. We are dead. Like, yeah. Yeah, if suppose we get this 20-30% drop, while DXY is going up to 122, bro, what are you going to do? Imagine, guys, imagine. This will be a lifetime opportunity. Now, everyone gets scared with the bearish scenarios, but they don't think that in the near future it's going to be beneficial for everyone. Like right now, we don't have any catalyst. Last time we had Elon Musk, Sailor, 3AC, and what, I don't know who all were involved, but these were the main catalysts. Now we don't have any of them. where do you think retailers are going to buy Bitcoin at 20,000? No ways. No ways they are going to buy Bitcoin at 20,000. Like if an average person sees Bitcoin price at $20,000, do you think they are going to buy it? No. Just think as a retailer for once. Yeah, definitely they want to see the price around 15,000, 14,000, even 10k. I'm sure an average American might just buy one Bitcoin if they have the money to put in. At 10k, they are definitely going to buy. But I don't think we reach 10k. We might, we may not. I'm not sure. But I'm definitely buying around 14, 15k. I'll start adding. Not BTC, but I have different alts to buy. But yeah, this will be my buy signal. Because even if you just buy BTC from 15k, if suppose you are buying 15k, this is like a 4x. You just multiply your portfolio by 4 times. So that is like a 300%, right? So if your portfolio is, suppose, let's just say 15,000 and you gain like 300%, 15,000 is turned into 60,000 in just 1 or 2 years. Why wouldn't an average citizen buy? Like 60,000 is a big amount for an average citizen anywhere in the world. Fuck the billionaires, fuck the millionaires. I'm talking about average citizen like you and me. Like I would definitely buy Bitcoin at this price. So and the main advantage, you don't have to do anything. You just have to buy and sit on your hands. That's it. So that is the minimum target I'm talking about. Now I don't know how much we go. Like if suppose you take the fibs and if this is the bottom, if I'm talking about if this is the bottom, the first target would be like 100k. I don't make the targets, it's the fib. 100k is the first target. Second 125 approx. If things get over bullish, we get more catalyst, 150k, welcome. So don't think like we are in a bearish market so it's done. No, look at this opportunity out there. If suppose 14k is the bottom, are you going to cry for 10k more 4k drop? No bro, you start buying at 14k because the upside is more. We might tag 100k, 120, even 150k. We don't know. And if BTC pulls 10x, you can just imagine what alts are going to do. 20x, 30x, I have no idea. Some might even pull 100x. So yeah, this is the macro. If you think I'm bearish, no, I'm not. I'm just waiting for the right opportunity to buy. So let's move on to DXY once again. Yeah, so if suppose we get a move to 122, we take out these equal highs, get back under 121 area, it's over. You start adding crypto, it's over for DXY. Dollar is going down. Where? At least till 103. We are going to get back in this range. Obviously first target will be here, this range. The second target will go under, if we go under 111, we are going to go for this second range of 103 to 109. So yeah, that's it for DXY. And it 1 second. Yeah, so these are the two ranges I'm looking at. Once we sweep the equal highs and get back under 122, it's over. So yeah, that's it for DXY. Now let's go to Ethereum BTC. So yeah, this was the plan. It's still in play. Range highs, deviation, rejection. Now we just broke out. Just broke out, and now we are heading to 0.086. 0.086. I'll show you why. Oh, come on. Yeah. This was the deviation for this resistance. So we might sweep this area again, 0.086. There are chances we might even sweep 0.088. Like, it's too early to short Ethereum right now with BTC pair looking this bullish. You just need to wait. We might sweep 0.089 as well. Like, I have no idea. Just wait for a breakdown. This is clearly developing a good short. Be patient. Let the short come to you. Don't rush. Don't rush right now. Because if you rush right now, if suppose there is some bullish narrative and we get a pump, bro, even if you do a 10x long, you are fucked. Because the 8% pump on BTC pair, it's going to push USDT price to, I don't know where it's going to go. Yeah, we might just tag this area. I'll come back to USDT pair later. But yeah, whenever a BTC pair pumps, get that straight that USDT pair is going to pump a bit more. So suppose BTC pair is pumping 8%, the USDT pair might pump around 10-11%. That's the rule always. Vice and versa. It's the same if it goes down. So I don't think I'm just talking about the pumps. Yeah. So if BTC pair goes down 5%, USDT pair is going down like 6-7%. And that's how it works. So for now, I'm just waiting for the short to come. I'm not longing Ethereum. Like, no way I'm going to long this resistance, because I am not sure whether we do this, or we do this. There are 3 scenarios here. We have 3 resistance. So if suppose we break down here, I'm fine. I'll short the USDT pair obviously, and I'll put my stop loss here above these highs to be safe. Imagine this is an USDT pair alt. Forget about Ethereum. Just imagine this is a USDT pair alt. If we see a breakdown here, you stop here. If you want to be aggressive, you can put a stop loss here. If not, you can put a stop loss above these highs. If suppose we reject this area 0.085, which also happens to be this resistance here, you short this breakdown, you put a stop loss here, same. Okay, and if suppose we take out these highs 0.089, wait for it, let it break down, short here, put a stop loss around these highs. That's it. It's as simple as that. Just don't rush, don't FOMO right now. Just wait for the price to come. It's going to be a big short. I'm telling you, you are not going to regret this short. Just wait, because shorting right now is very, very risky. We have 3 scenarios. We don't know which one is going to play out. So that's for the BTC pair. I'll just move on to the USDT pair right now, because I know most of you trade USDT pair, including me. So that's fine. One second. Yeah, I mean, look at this monthly chart. No way I'm bullish unless we close above 1685 approx, and obviously with a good volume. If the volume is shit, obviously I'm not going to buy this fake out. I need a close above 1685 with good volume. So even ETH looks fucked on monthly, man. Like, I don't know what people are buying right now. Like, literally, bro, like shit. It's a shithole. So what happened here is, if you look at as a 5-minute chart, you took out June 2022 highs. If you see, we took out the highs and we just dumped. It didn't even manage to close about July 2022 close. Like, how bearish is that? And if suppose this was a range, one second. Yeah. If suppose this June monthly candle was a range, we got a bounce perfectly. Yeah, that's fine. We got a perfect bounce. We got a deviation here. What makes you think we might not get a deviation here? Like, that's how ranges play. Like, it's not a rule, but yeah, you can't deny this area. Even it also happens to be Jan 2021 low, so 2021 lows. So it's a quite probability. If you just take this June range, you got a deviation above. I'm just waiting for the deviation under this area. We might get a wick till 700, 750, and that will be a buy signal. You start buying there. Once you start buying, don't go all in. Add like 30% maybe. Yeah, add 30%. And once we start getting above 875, 880, you can just long it till this mid range, 1400. That's it. That's going to be a play for Ethereum. Till then, I'm not interested, right? It can do whatever the fuck it wants to do, man. Like, this is on a macro perspective. I'm definitely eyeing this area. If we get 700, I'm fuck BTC, man. I'm going to buy Ethereum. Like, why wouldn't you buy Ethereum? Yeah, unless you are a fucking stupid millionaire, you have lots of money, you can buy BTC. But for retailers like us, we need to make money. We haven't made it yet. So we are definitely going to look forward for the good RR. And definitely Ethereum. What's better than Ethereum? Much safer than any alt and giving a better RR than BTC. So yeah, even if I buy around 750, say 754, it's like a, bro, look at this. Just towards all time high, it's like a 500%. Suppose. So yeah, so BTC, it was 300%. So your portfolio becomes 60,000. Okay. And if you take Ethereum, it's 90,000. So just think as a retailer for once and tell me, why wouldn't you buy Ethereum instead of BTC? You get 30,000 more. 30,000 is just because we took 15,000 as a balance. That's why. If suppose you are buying 50k on BTC, it's you get 200k returns minimum. I'm talking about the minimum. Fuck the FIPS, fuck the 100k, 120, 150k targets. I'm just talking till all time high. BTC, you get 200k return overall. And if you go for Ethereum, it's going to be 300k, 100k more. So imagine, guys, imagine. I would definitely choose Ethereum over BTC any day. So this is the macro play for Ethereum. I'll just break down. Give me 1 second, guys. Like, what is this? Yeah. Yeah, so let's go to dive to 3 days. If you look at the price, I don't think you can look at the candles. Yeah. Yeah, so on the 3 days, I'm still bearish. Why? You see this area, this 1700 area is a big pain. We can't clear it. Still we can't clear it. Yeah, we definitely went to 2k, but what happened then? he got a big dump on 3D candle, like a 15% candle. It was a clear deviation to me. Bro, I am from India. I'm staying in Dubai right now. So yeah, this is still a bearish retest for me. This can also act as a double top, but double top is confirmed only when we break down the neckline. So if this is the case, we can say that it is forming a double top. It is not a double top yet, but it is forming a double top. So yeah, it is forming a double top here. If we reject here, it's over. The minimum target from here for the shorts would be 1250 area, this consolidation area. The price came down, consolidation happened here, we shot up, we never tested this area, we didn't even test the resistance. So the first target would be 1250 approx. If we go lower, we might go to 1000 as well and break down from here 750, 700 our target. So let's see, I'm definitely planning to short this area. Like now the thing is, one second, yeah, so this is the fibs I marked from here to here, these highs to these lows. Okay, so the price first rejected around the 0.5 area. We didn't knew where was the low, but once the low was in, we saw the rejection around 0.5 area. We are heading towards the 0.5 area again, which also, I don't think you guys are understanding. One second, I'll just open two charts. This is the daily. Yeah, perfect. So this is the same chart, guys. Yeah, if you take the fibs from these highs to these lows, we found resistance first at this point 236 area or 23%, 23.6%. The next we are at 38.2. That's fine. Flip this, you might take out these highs, we might even tag 0.618. It also happens to be this FVG and this flat body candle, which I'm sure we might get tagged unless Ethereum do some stupid shit. Like there are high chances we take out these highs. I always talk about such candles like flat body candles. They are supposed to be taken out. Yeah, and a few days back I even talked about shorting Ethereum around this area. Why? Just forget the fibs. Just forget the fibs for a while. According to normal PA, this was my area to short. This FVG candle. But the thing is, the volume is increasing at resistance. So I'm not sure. Unless we break down, I'm not sure whether I'm going to short it or not. I want to see a clear breakdown. Like no way this is bearish. As of now, I wouldn't short. I wouldn't short. Even though this is in my region to short, I wouldn't short this. If suppose we start holding about 1654, yeah. If suppose we start holding like this, the next target would be this flat body candle and this FVG area, that is 1850. I'm not sure. Let's see. Like these are the two areas I'm eyeing right now. We are already in my first area. I'm not sure what's the price going to do here, so I'm in no position. What you can do, if suppose we get a breakdown from here, like we even filled the 1 hour FVG candle on this area and we are rejecting it, but I'm not sure whether we hold or not, because ETH BTC looks bullish to me. I want to see rejection here before shorting the USDT pair. So no way I'm going to short the USDT pair unless I see a breakdown on the BTC pair. So suppose we do something like this. You short here, put a stop loss above these areas, 1720. That's your short. Your first target would be these lows, 1514. That will be your first target. You see this area, this was consolidation area. We consolidated the price here, shot up. If the price breaks down, it's a failed rally. We are going to test this area again. Might even sweep the lows of these areas. Like, I'm not sure. Let's see. But yeah, this is the play. I wouldn't short right now. Just wait for the trigger. We might do this, or we might just squeeze up. I have no idea. Once we start squeezing up, we have this empty candle. The 1 hour flat body candle. You see, if we take out these highs, imagine if we take out these highs, 1817, bro, everyone's going to get bullish as fuck. Like, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it might happen. I'm not sure about it. I'll just wait for the shorts. If suppose we push like this, once we start breaking down, any retest, I'm going to short the fuck out of it, placing my stop loss here. My first target would be 1600s, and the second target more lower, 1500s or even 1250. So this is like a low time frame analysis. I'll get back to the daily chart to explain you a few things more. So suppose, one second. Yeah, so look at this. So this is the mid range, 0.5. Okay, we are just about 38.2. It's holding as of now. Right now I don't know whether we hold or not. If it doesn't, if it comes down, just wait for the retest. This should be a short till this area, this consolidation zone. That will be a quick scalp on the lower time frame. If suppose we hold here, the next target would be 0.5. Also take out these highs. I'll just zoom in. Yeah, take out these highs, get back above 0.5. Okay, so this will be your trade number 2 if you want to trade. I'm not going to trade. Yo, Dank, what's up man, what's up, bro? Bro, don't put me under pressure now. Yeah, so this will be your trade number 2. Your trade number 1 was a breakdown of this area till this consolidation zone. And if suppose we hold our 0.5 area, you can just add this empty gap. You see 0.618 area. You can just wait for the price. It can do something like this. These are the 3 plays. And the 4th play, yeah, obviously, how I missed the 4th play, man. One second. If suppose we take out these highs in the mid range, get back under, that's your short. Put a stop loss here and play it. It's going down. Like, I'm definitely going all in this short. Obviously on clear triggers, not just blindly shorting it. But yeah, we are going to take out these lows, definitely. So I'm just waiting for my trigger. I'm not going to rush anything right now. ETH BTC is at resistance or near resistance, we don't know. Let's see. yeah, that's it. That's for BTC, Ethereum, and ES. I'm still bearish, guys. I'm still bearish. Like, there is no sense. You can't deny the fact that dollar index, it's going to fucking blow up, man. Like a 10% pump. Just imagine, guys, 10% pump more on this. Just imagine how much people are going to cry on CT. Everyone's going to cry on CT, man. Just play safe. I wouldn't recommend like getting a big spot back as of now. Just wait, just wait. You need to wait. Patience is the main key here. You can't just buy and sit on your hands. That's it, guys. Yeah, see you soon, guys. Thank you.